A car travels 120 miles in 3 hours. That's with a constant speed, meaning he doesn't slow down or speed up. He goes the same speed. How far will it take to travel 200 miles? So the two things we're talking about is miles and hours. Miles, hours. We know 120 miles in 3 hours. 120 miles, hours. And now he's going to go 200 miles, and they want to know how long. 200 miles. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can do the cross multiply. X times 120 is 120x equals 300 times 200 is 600. Divide each side by 120. $600 divided by 120. 12 will go into 60 5 times. So this is 5. 5 times 120 is 600. So my x equals 5. Number 2. 50 apples cost $25. The two things we are talking about is apples and money. 50 apples cost $25. How many would 75 cost? So apples, apples, apples. So 75 is going to go on top. And then you have x. I'm going to show you a different way in this one. If I simplify this, 25 and 50, I know 25 will go into both. So I can have 1 and 25 divided by 25 is 1. 50 divided by 25 is 2. Can 2 go into 75? No, but it's easier it's a little bit easier to multiply. I get 2x equals 75. Divide by 2 on both sides. This is our equation. These cancel out. 75 divided by 2. 2 will go into 7 3 times. 2 will go into 15 7 times. Add a decimal. Add a 0, bring it down. 2 will go into 10 5 times. So it will cost $37.50. It takes Mike 18 minutes to finish reading 4 pages. So minutes and pages. 18 minutes to 4 pages. How long does it take him to finish 30 pages? Pages, pages, and then this is going to be 30 pages. You can cross multiply, but you can also simplify 18 over 4. I could divide both of those by 2 to simplify 18 fourths. So it will be 9 over 2 equals 30. That means in 9 minutes, he reads 2 pages. So in 30 minutes, 2 times what is 30? Times 15. If I multiply 15 at the bottom, I have to multiply 15 at the top. 15 times 9. 9 times 5 is 45. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it is 135 minutes for 30 pages. Nathan packs 25 boxes in 2 hours. So boxes and hours. 25 boxes in 2 hours. How many boxes in 8 hours? 8 hours. How does 2 go to 8?
Times 4.
Times 4. Times 4. 25 times 4 is 100. So 100 boxes. 13 candy bars weigh 26 ounces. We're talking about candy in ounces. 13 candy bars weighs 26 ounces. How many will 35 candy bars? Candy bars, candy bars, candy bars. I don't like going to 13 to 25, so I'm going to simplify this. 13 over 26 can be simplified to 1/2. So 1 candy bar weighs 2 ounces. 35. So how does 1 go to 35? Times 35. Times 35. 2 times 35 is 70. So 70 ounces. A machine can produce 6 jars of fabric in 2 minutes. Yards and minutes. 6 yards in 2 minutes. How many in 1 hour? How many minutes are an hour? 60. How does 2 go to 60? Times 30. If I multiply 30 at the bottom, I have to multiply at the top. 6 times 30 is? So 180 yards.